Hi everybody, I wanted to show you something I just done for the first time. This is a pattern by the Old Tattered Flag. This is the pattern here. I'm doing this for someone else and she sent me two of them to do. So the first one I did, you can see how far apart they are, which I didn't like. I'm not sure why they're so far apart, but I could really only do maybe 2 or 4 on my frame, and they only use 4 colors. So they use the gold here, and then it's the red, the off-white, and the green. So I like to do like assembly lines. So I'm going to do the gold on all of them. Then I'm going to do the red on all of them. Well, on this one, when I did it, I had to keep just changing it. Like I would just do 2 ornaments at a time. And then so I had to keep changing colors. So on the second one, what I've decided to do is with the person's permission that I'm doing this for, because it's a shop sample, I sewed with large stitches. I think I set my sewing machine on number 5, and I sewed some seams here, which brings them closer together. I'm trying to cover it here for copyright. It brings them closer together, and I can fit them all on my frame. So there's my frame, and they all fit on there, so I can do them all at once, which is much better for me. So I just wanted to share this with you in case you come across the same thing, and this is a way to handle that, to get them closer together so they'll fit on your frame. See you on the next video, everybody. It's camping season, so I'm not crafting much. I'm camping. See you on the next one. Bye.